The little holes in this bottle are actually turtle bites. Turtle beaks make these little diamond-shaped cuts, and oftentimes when we're picking up trash, we find these little bites in a lot of different plastic things because you can kind of see they resemble jellyfish and other things that turtles eat. So one of the problems that our city is facing is that these animals are getting affected by the trash from the amounts of visitors that we're having that aren't educated to the reason to why they shouldn't pollute on the beach. Or it's not even always people that visit this city. Some of this stuff, as you can see, is coming up in the Sargassum, so it's not all stuff that comes necessarily from South Padre Island. It's stuff that's coming from other places that's washing up on our beaches, so it's a big problem.
What I think the biggest challenge for this city is expansion and the trash on the beach, the trash on the highways, and interaction with all the wildlife and all the marine life. And I really think it's starting to have a really negative impact with all the trash on the beach. So I hope people will wake up to the fact of what's happening here and how they're actually destroying the island and the whole habitat.
The community's enthusiasm about locking on to our mission and what we're about and protecting our environment. Because it's not just about protecting sea turtles, but it's also about protecting our environment. Every year we have thousands of students coming to see Turtle Lake on field trips. These students are learning about conservation and good practices, how to recycle. Several of our cities in the Rio Grande Valley are really making a point of teaching children about recycling and establishing their own recycling programs. Little Brownsville, Texas here was the very first city to ban plastic bags. And we've had two other cities, South Padre Island and Austin, Texas, our capital, and it's catching. Word's getting out. It's not just about sea turtles, but it's about wildlife and conservation and environmental protection.
There's a tremendous amount of wildlife diversity in the lower Laguna Madre. My hope is that our communities will preserve that wildlife diversity, will preserve our lands, our flora, our fauna, and then also promote those for ecotourism. There's a huge benefit to maintaining what we have, but then allowing the rest of the world to see the diversity here. It will bring people to our community to live, to recreate, and to enjoy. That's my hope for our community.